What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys an easy method I used to make over $8,000 plus on Clickbank by promoting some very simple affiliate offers using 100% free traffic. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it, so I can go and do it as well and start promoting some offers and making some money. I'm not going to see results overnight, but if you're going to take action on what I'm going to show you guys in this video, you're going to make money very fast because this 100% works and anybody can go and do this and actually make a lot of money very fast on Clickbank, promoting offers for 100% free using 100% free traffic and without investing any money at all. All you're going to do is you're going to go and watch till the end, take action on the method, and you're going to implement it as well, and you can start making some money very fast with this exact method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys a huge traffic source that's getting up to 1 billion plus visitors every month. Right now, you can go and use and promote your affiliate offers and actually make a lot of money very fast, and that's the exact strategy I use. So you can go and do this as well, starting as soon as today, and start implementing this and start getting some free traffic and start making some sales on Clickbank. You can go and promote offers, for example, on Digital 24 as well, and to make a lot of money with this exact method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here, you can go and make your first money very fast, and it's a very simple and easy traffic method I'm going to show you guys in this video. I need to have only a one-page website. I'm going to show you guys an example of my one-page website that I've used to go and make more of this exact method right here since 2017. So this is a 100% working method. You can go and do this all over and over. You can just go and copy and paste, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this very easily. I can go and do this from anywhere around the world, and even a newbie can go and do this method and make money as well. So you're going to make money very fast with this exact method if you're going to take action and actually do the work. You're going to go and see the results because this is a 100% working method. So be sure to watch step by step till the end, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this easily and actually earn a lot more money faster on Clickbank with this huge traffic source that I'm going to show you in this video right here. So that's guys, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you're going to get notified when I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos on how to make money on Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digital 24, and most of these methods are all 100% free to go and get started, and many people are already using this and they're already making a lot of money with the free and the paid traffic methods I show you guys on this particular channel right here. So if you've never made your first sale on Clickbank, be sure to watch this particular video because you can go and follow what I already did from here. I can go and do it as well and actually make a lot of money on complete autopilot with 100% free traffic. And also, once you learn my most recommended method to start making money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank that many students are using already, and they're already making their first $100 to $200 with the free and the paid traffic methods I'll show you guys inside that training. So that's guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys how I made over $8,000 plus with free traffic and how you can go and do it as well and start making some money starting right today. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so let me show you guys the exact method I did and how you can go and do this as well and start making some money very fast. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to affiliate marketplace on Clickbank. You can find a lot of offers from here that are actually converting very well. I can go and promote any of these offers from here to actually make a lot of sales. So the offer that I want to promote right here, so let me show you guys the offers that are promoted with this exact method that doesn't have a lot of competition but actually has a lot of sales. So let me show you guys the products right here. So let me show you guys right here. If I type, for example, acne, you go to affiliate marketplace and type acne, click on search. You're going to find these affiliate offers right here that doesn't have a lot of competition, but people that are suffering from this type of problems actually buy these different affiliate offers. So let me look for one from here. You can see, for example, this pro right here is called acne normal. So this pro right here is going to help people that are suffering from pimples or acne, and it actually converts very well. You can see this product is going to pay you up to $34 per sale, and it also has other upsells as well. And you can see from here, this product has been selling on this website since 2003. So these offers actually convert very well, but it doesn't have a lot of competition because people that are looking for this type of offer from here are ready to go and buy a solution. That's why it's going to go and convert very well, because the people who are searching for this are already looking for a solution to go and solve their problem. So let me open this sales page from here. You're going to see it's a very simple sales page, and it's actually an old sales page. So let's go to the affiliate support page as well, and it's actually converts very well. So there are a lot of digital products right here on the marketplace on Clickbank. You can see this one has only 7 gravity, but it actually converts very well. You can see since 2003, so that's actually very high. So let's go back right here. So let's go, you can see right here the sales page. is actually a video sales page. So they have just recently upgraded the sales page to a video sales page, and it's going to help people to go and cure the acne from here. And this sells very well. I can see the initial price is only at $13. I can see this a lot of results. So one of the main advantage about promoting this offer is that this particular offer actually works. So that is why you are going to have very low refunds, and also it has been selling on this marketplace for a very long time because people actually find a lot of value in this particular product right here. So let's go to the affiliate support page from here. You can see from here up to 300+ million people suffer every year from acne. So there's a huge market for you to go and promote this and actually make a lot of money. So you see from here, you're going to make a lot more money in the back end. You can see there's an initial sale, and there are also upsells and downsells, and you're going to get a commission anytime that somebody buys the upsells or the downsells from here. So you see a lot more information right here on the sales page of this product right here. And let me show you guys how easy it is for you to go and promote this and actually make a lot of money very fast using the exact method that I used to go and promote this particular affiliate offer from here. So what you're going to do from here next, you're going to go and create a very simple article to go and promote this offer right here. So the exact method I did is I went to Blogger. So you're going to go to Blogger, and you're going to create a simple blog to go and promote your affiliate offer. So let me show you guys one of my blogs from here. So this is just one of my blogs that I created right here. You can see I wrote this particular article since March of 2017, and it's still getting free traffic from here. I'm going to show you the exact method I used to go and drive traffic to these different blogs that are still getting traffic and are still making some few sales every now and then. So I see from here, I just wrote, for example, a genuine acne no more review, and this was just a simple review article from here. People that are going to be interested in acne, I can see I embedded a YouTube video right here, and that's, guys, these are all my links. If I click on this link from here, so let me click on the link. If I click on the link, you're going to see that it's going to take you straight back to my affiliate offer. So let me click, for example, on this one. It's going to show up right here. It's going to take people straight back to that affiliate offer with a link back to my offer. You can see right here, this is my affiliate ID right here. So let me go back and let me show you guys another example article that I wrote from here. So this is the entire article. I wrote this since 2017, promoting this particular offer right here. So let me show you guys one of my other articles. So let me show you guys another one right here. You can see right here, how to treat embarrassing back acne at home. So you can see right here, I posted this since 2017 as well. I can see from here, it's a very simple article right here that people can go and use and actually erase that. And you can see right here, I just wrote a very simple article from here, and I found this article for free. So if I click on any of these links from here, it's going to take me straight back to my affiliate offer. So let me show you guys an example. If I click on this, it's going to take them straight back to my affiliate offer. And you can see at the URL, it's going to have my affiliate link from here that I posted this since 2017, and I'm still driving traffic to this using 100% free traffic. So this method, anybody can go and do this and actually make a lot of money from using this exact method right here. So pay close attention, watch step by step to the end. I can go and do this as well and make money. So this method right here, you don't have to go and have a lot of articles. You can go and create a one-page website. You don't have to go and create multiple articles right here. You can go and create only a one-page website, and you can go and promote your affiliate offer from here. So let's say, for example, like this, your article from here, you're going to create this one-page website. You're going to make sure to go and include your links inside here. You're going to make sure to go and input your links back to your affiliate offer multiple times inside this one-page article from here. So you can go and use Blogger. Blogger is 100% free. You can go and use, for example, Google Sites as well. It's also 100% free. You can go and create a very simple article like this and include images and links back to your affiliate offer. So to go and find an article, guys, it's very easy. You can go, for example, to easignarticles.com. So let's go to easignarticles. So here is easignarticles.com. You can go and find a lot of articles that you can go and use and publish on your website to go and promote your affiliate offer. So these two right here are just two of the blogs. So I created multiple blogs about erasing back acne and promoted my affiliate offer. So I created about 5 to 6 different blogs sending traffic straight back to my affiliate offer. So these are just two examples of the blogs that I created since 2017 promoting my different affiliate offers right here, promoting this acne product right here. So the next step you're going to do is you're going to go and drive a lot of traffic from here, and the traffic that you're going to drive from here is by using Pinterest. So Pinterest is the traffic source I use to go and drive affiliate traffic to this particular offer from here, and you can go and do this as well and actually make a lot of money because there's not a lot of competition about in this type of niche right here on Pinterest. And that's the reason why you can go and actually get a lot of free traffic on Pinterest, because there's not a lot of competition. If you also want to promote, for example, a product, for example, weight loss offer, you can still go and make a lot of money on Pinterest, but it's also going to be a lot of competition. So you can go and use, for example, this niche, acne niche. I can go and actually make a lot of money without a lot of competition on Pinterest. So that's guys, so the first step, you are going to go to the marketplace on Clickbank. I go to and look for an offer that is converting very well, for example in acne or a niche that doesn't have a lot of competition. And the second step is you're going to go to blogger.com. I got to go and create a free blog on blogger.com, and you're going to go to design articles and find good articles to go and create your blog on and input the links back inside that blog. Once I've created that blog from here, next you're going to go to Pinterest. I'm going to sign up for a free account. I'm going to create multiple pages on Pinterest. So I recommend you can go and create between 2 to 3 different pages so you can go and actually get a lot of traffic, because if you create more accounts and create more pins on Pinterest, you're going to go and get more traffic. So what you can do from here is I can go to Pinterest. So let me show you guys an example. If I go, for example, to Pinterest, so let me type, for example, pimple solution. You can see right here, people are actually posting this type of post right here on Pinterest. You also want to make sure to go and post a lot of pins on Pinterest, because it mostly takes time for Pinterest to start getting a lot of views to your post. So you're going to go and post it right now, and you can still be making a lot of money in the future, because Pinterest, sometimes it takes a lot of time to go and get a lot of people to go and click and go back to your pins, but sometimes you're going to get immediate traffic too of people that are clicking and going back to your pins. So this is the type of pins that you're going to make right here. See this one right here. You can go and create this type of pins, for example, how to get rid of acne fast, how to get rid of acne at home. And you're going to create simple pins like this one right here. And you're going to leave links back to your blog right here. So people can click from here and they're going to go back to your blog right here on Blogger, and they can go and read all of this, and they can go and click and go back to your affiliate offer. So you're going to make sure that you're going to input your links multiple times inside your blog from here, so anybody that is going to come to this blog is going to have an opportunity to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer. So you're going to make sure you go and create a lot of pins. So let me show you guys an example right here. If I scroll down, you're going to find a lot of other examples of people that are posting this. You're going to make sure to go and post this type of images, because this type of images of before and after, they're the ones that actually get a lot of pin clicks, and the more people that are going to click on this type of pins from here of before and after, the more traffic you're going to get and the more sales you can go and make from this simple method right here. So you're going to create, for example, 2 to 3 Pinterest accounts. You're going to post a lot of posts per day. I recommend you can go and post about 5 posts per day on those different accounts. I can go and do this, for example, for 1 week or for 1 month, and you can go and leave the account to continue to grow organically. I can just be posting between 1 to 2 posts per day on those different accounts once it has already started getting a lot of views. So it's going to get a lot of posts that are going to go and get a lot of attention. What you can do is I can go to Google. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to Google. You're going to type right here acne before and after, or pimples before and after. You're going to find a lot of this type of images from here on Google that you can go and use to go and create a pin that's going to make people to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer. So anybody that's going to be suffering from, for example, from pimples or from acne, they're going to see this type of images from here of before and after image, and they're going to go and try to find out how the person did to go and get rid of their acne. And that's when they're going to go and click on your pin, and they can go back to your affiliate offer, and they're going to go and read all of this right here. Once they read all of this from here, they can go and click on the video. They can go and click on any of these links from here. It's going to take them straight back to your affiliate offer. And since many people are actually getting a lot of results from buying this offer from here, you can see right here, this is a before and after image right at the video starting. You're going to go and make a lot of sales.
I'm Mike, and
I can see from here before and after images tend to have a lot of effect on people that are interested in getting rid of the acne, because they're going to looking for a solution that can help them. You can see from here, yes, a lot of customer reviews as well. Up to 13,000, up to 137,000 people are acne free from this particular offer. So it's going to go and help you to go and get a lot of conversion. So this is a very simple niche that many people don't know about, but it actually makes a lot of money. I can go and do this as well and make a lot of money. So I'm going to look for this before and after acne pictures from here on Google. You can go and download a lot of them from here. And what you're going to do next, you're going to go to canva.com. You're going to go to canva.com and you're going to click on Pinterest pin, and you're going to create a simple pin from here very easily. So once you click on Pinterest pin, it's going to bring you to a page from here that you can create a pin from here very easily, very fast. So you're going to click, for example, on this one. So let me just click on this one, for example. I'm going to write a simple call to action right here inside your pin. So let me show you guys an example. You can go and write, for example, discover the secret method, discover how I did it. We can write, for example, discover how I got rid of my acne, how I got rid of acne. And that's guys, you're going to make sure to go and input this type of call to action right here in all of your Pinterest posts, because it's going to make people to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer to go and discover the method that you used to go and get rid of acne. And once it goes to that blog right here, they can go and get a lot of value on this blog right here, and they can go and click and go back to our affiliate offer. So next from here, going to just input those before and after weight loss images, those before and after acne images that are found on Google. You're going to input it right here. So it's very easy to go and create this type of pins right here in less than 1 minute. You're going to download a lot of these before and after acne images from here, so you can go and post a lot of different posts from here and send people back to your blog and actually make a lot of money. So this method actually works, and I can go and make a lot of money very fast from this method, because this is something that people are suffering from and they're looking for a way to go and get rid of this very easily. I'm going to provide them a solution. Many of them are going to be more than happy to go and pay to go and buy a solution. What you're going to do is you're going to create a board like this one. You can see right here, this person's posting a lot of this type of images. You can see right here, it's very easy pins that this person's creating right here every single day and is posting on Pinterest right here, and people can go and click and go back to her website right here. You can see she's getting up to 4 million visitors every single month just from Pinterest. So Pinterest is a huge traffic source that many people are not taking advantage of. I can go and take advantage of this and actually make a lot of money very fast, because I'm still getting some free traffic from those pins that I created years ago, and I'm still getting some few sales from those different pins right here. So that's guys, so that's a simple method I want to show you guys they can go and use and start making some money very fast. And this is the exact method I used to go and make up to $8,000 plus on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and using Pinterest. All you're going to do is you're going to go and create, for example, 3 different Pinterest accounts. I can just go and create a one-page website to go and promote your affiliate offer from here, as I show you guys right here. And you're going to drive a lot of this traffic right here to your one blog right here that people can go and click and go back to your offer, and they can go and buy this solution from here. And this niche doesn't have a lot of competition, so you can go and actually make a lot of money very fast. So that's guys, so if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and share this video so that others can go and benefit from this method as well and start making some money on Clickbank. So that's guys, take action on this method and you're going to see results. And that's guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.